everyone, Tony Smith here with crinco.com, and today we're diving into the standard homeowners insurance policy to see what it says about storm surge. More specifically, we're answering the question as to whether hurricane coverage would cover storm surge if the storm surge was caused by a hurricane. The short answer is it's not covered. Let me explain. A standard homeowners insurance policy written on an HO3 policy form used to be known as an all-risk or an open perils policy, meaning that claims are covered unless the policy has a specific exclusion excluding coverage for a particular situation. Many years ago, the terms all-risk and open perils were dropped because the courts found that the terms were confusing to the consumer. The HO3 policy form is now known as a special coverage form, which means that coverage generally applies unless the situation falls under a specific exclusion within the policy itself. Now that the history is out of the way, let's talk about these exclusions. The HO3 policy form has standard exclusions built into the policy. These exclusions include things like earthquakes, nuclear hazard, war, neglect, among other things. Included in the exclusion section is, you guessed it, water damage. Now, the exclusion for water damage when pertaining to rising water situations such as a storm surge is more narrowly defined within the policy, and it says the following is excluded: floods, surface water, waves including tidal wave and tsunami, tides, tidal water, storm surge, overflow from any body of water or spray from any of these, all whether or not driven by wind, including storm surge. Now, that last part's really important. This means that even though the winds from a hurricane cause the storm surge, your hurricane coverage does not apply in this situation. So what are you to do if you want coverage for storm surge? Can it be added back into the policy? The answer is you need to purchase flood insurance if you want coverage for storm surge. Just a few inches of water in your home from a storm surge can cause tens of thousands of dollars in damage to your home. Don't assume that because you have hurricane coverage that you're covered, because you're not. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Storm surge coverage explained in under 2 minutes. crinco.com, insurance simplified.